After the war, they got thrown into DP camps. And again, remember, they were maybe 19 or 20 after the war, 21. And they were all orphans. So he met my mother. And as I said before, they had a little baby. And he ran a little bit wild in the DP camp for a couple of years before he met my mother. I think he did his thing like a normal teenager or a 20-year-old. Because the war ended in 45. I was born in 48. So there was a couple of years he was hanging out, with the boys. And through his hanging out process, they formed their own kind of like Sopranos organization and got involved in the black market. And my father, who was the kindest man and sweetest man I ever met, was also physically the toughest. I mean, I would bring my friends in who were football players, and he would take the biggest guys and put them on the floor. He was just tough. He was like a Rocky Marciano kind of built, like 5'6", but 180 and all thick. And he was a strong arm for this group. And the reason I'm saying it is that in the DP camps, my parents had everything. They had money. They had their own apartment. They had a maid. My father drove a Mercedes. And again, I'm going to ramble a little bit. When I was 4 months old, I came down with pneumonia. I think it was pneumonia. And I was close to dying. And they told my parents the only thing that could save me was penicillin. Well, there was no penicillin. Where are you going to get penicillin? Except through the black market. So my father and a friend got in his car, and they told the doctors, keep him alive. We're coming back with penicillin. And he did. To this day, I don't know where he came from, but he did.